Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. We have x squared, sy, x squared, y squared, sy. They are direct number 2. So that is about homogeneous. So I will put about y equals to vx. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides. First derivative of v, we have dv over dx multiplied by x. First derivative of x, you got about number 1. So we have v. This is about the product rule of derivative. So I will put this one to change for y. This one, that is about first derivative of y. So we change by this one. So this one we have 2vx squared. This one we have v squared s squared. This one we have vs squared. Later that we simplify s squared for the both sides. Next, we divide both sides by this one. Next, I will put v go to the right. Now we do common denominator by 1 plus 2v. So we have v and 2v squared. So negative we put in here. Negative 2v, negative v, we have negative 3v, negative v squared, negative 2v squared, we have negative number 3 in here. Next, I will put this one go to the left, the s and s will go to the right. Next, negative number 3, we can do about factorization. So I will put negative number 3 go to the right. Next, I will put the integration for the both sides. Now, I will concentrate about this one. So I will put about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Next, I will do first derivative for the both sides. First derivative of v squared, we have 2v. First derivative of v, we have number 1. So first derivative of number 1, this is about the constant. So you got about 0. So this one we change by u. 1 plus 2v dv we change by du. The integration of this one, we have ln of the absolute value of u, and I will put about c. About u, that is about this one. Now I will go back in here. The integration of this one, that is about this one. The integration of this one, that is about ln of the absolute value of s, and I will put about c. About v, that is about this one. So we need to divide both sides by s. So we need to change v into y over s. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.